is bicarbonate of soda. They call it natron in Germany and Switzerland. And you need about that much, teaspoon. This is going to act as a bit of a tenderizer, okay? This might surprise you, but this is mushroom seasoning. Really good. It's just a mushroom stock cube. But it makes a big difference. Really a good idea to put this in there. Don't skip that step, okay? Cayenne pepper. Need about a tablespoon of that. Yeah, plenty. Now we're going to need about a quarter of a cup of Frank's. Come on, focus. There you go, that's Frank's. Basically half the bottle. Let's get in there, give it a stir. Make sure everything has some colour on it, because then you know you've mixed everything in properly. You can feel the bicarbonate of soda working on it. This will tenderize the chicken. This will give you the Chinese takeaway flavour or feeling that you're looking for. Okay, so that's all covered. That goes into the fridge for an hour. Okay, so let's get some flour in here. Probably about 3 cups, okay? So this is an ordinary white flour. Nothing special about it. It's not a self-raising flour, nothing like that. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Now we need a few eggs. Perfect. 3 eggs. Uno, dos, tres. I want to give this a bit of a mix up as well, right? So let's get some beer in there. Any beer will do. Beautiful. Okay, let's throw a cup of flour in here. Yeah, that looks about right. Give it a mix. This is going to give it a nice light batter. A little bit clumpy, but you keep stirring it, it'll come together. Beer in. I like to put a bit of salt in here as well. White pepper. Plenty. Alright, so get the flour back in here, okay? Get the flour in here. Get that chicken out. So the chicken has been marinating now for an hour. Let's just dump it in. Doesn't want to go. Beautiful, came out nice and cleanly. Now get some flour on these pieces of chicken, okay? Come from the bottom, like that. That will work well. Just do it slowly. Otherwise you're going to end up with flour everywhere. Silly sausage, right? Nicely breaded, okay? Good big one. That's it, that's all of the chicken done. Give this a bit of a shake. Alright. Okay. Sorry about that. That's an induction stove doing its usual stupid tricks. Okay, so now that we've gotten everything in here, transfer it all back. Just gonna let the excess run off a little bit and throw it in there. Swashy swashy. Okay. The last two pieces that I could find. Okay. Mix it in here again. Get bread on that chicken. Bring it a little bit closer so you can see what's going on. Whoop, there you go. And one of the benefits of not using really small pieces of chicken is that you're not like faffing around in this mess of chicken pieces. Let's get some of this chicken in here, okay? It might be a little bit too hot. Let's take that off the heat. It's a little bit too hot. While that's cooking, I'm just going to take some of these out of the flour and put them onto a tray for easier working with. So after a few minutes, just fish them out and throw them down there. And if you're a little uncertain of the temperature, if it gets past 70, it's good to go. 83, perfect. All right, let's cook a few more. Delicious. And you can tell that it's real chicken because of the way that it is. Focus. Look at that. Nice. Look at the chicken inside. Oh, it's a thing of beauty. Let me try it. Delicious. Here now. Okay. So start throwing your pieces of chicken in here. While you're doing that, take some of your Frank's hot sauce. Splash it on. You need to be quite liberal with this. This, perfectly cooked, nicely seasoned. Chips are a bit disappointing. Yeah.